The secret formula to studying abroad with average grades no one talks about. Got a 65% in high school and think you can't study abroad? Wrong. At CLBS, we've helped students with average grades land admission at top universities without needing a perfect GPA. Today, I will be revealing a secret formula to studying abroad even if your grades aren't perfect. Let's dive in. Step 1. Target the right universities. Well, most students apply to wrong universities, yes. Here's what to do instead. Target universities with holistic admissions, where they care about your essays, extracurriculars and test scores more than just grades. Examples of universities that accept students with average GPAs are USA, Arizona State University, University of Kansas, Drexel University. They weigh essays and extracurriculars more. Canada, York University, Carleton University, University of Regina. UK, Coventry University, University of Westminster. They focus on statement of purpose more. Germany, Hochschule Bremen, SGW Berlin, Technical University of Munich, if you prove technical skills. CLBS Insider Tip. Please search for universities with test optional or holistic admission policies. They are your best bet. Well, one of our students, Ria, had a 68% in high school but got into Arizona State University by focusing on her extracurriculars and SAT scores. Your grades don't define you, your strategy does. Step 2. Boost your profile in 3 months. How to compensate for low grades? Do this instead. Take one high-impact online course related to your major. Harvard CS50 for CS, Financial Markets by Yale for Business, and many more. Hey, I'm also going to share a research paper hack. Publish a short 1500-word research paper on SSRN or ResearchGate. Now this works also for high school students. Internship trick. Email startups or professors asking for unpaid virtual internship. They boost your applications fast. Well, Ritika, a CLBS student, had a 68% in high school, but she published 2 blogs on renewable energy, landed an internship with a local NGO, completed a Harvard course, and boom, she got into Coventry University with a scholarship. Insane fact. Here's a secret most students do not know. Well, universities love students who take initiative. If you can show them that you are more than just your grades, through research papers or real-world impact, you'll stand out more than a straight-A student with nothing interesting on their profile. Hey, also, if you contribute to an open source project, your application becomes 5x stronger. Step 3. Write a personal statement that overpowers your grades. Most students mess this up. Instead of saying, I've always been passionate about X, use this framework instead. Hook. Start with a personal story that connects to your field. Challenge. Address your academic struggles and how you compensated internships, online courses, and competitions. Next, impact. Show real-world impact like project, freelance work, and open source contributions. I'll give you an example. Instead of, I like business, say, at 16, I launched a small reselling business, failed twice, and learned how pricing strategies work. This made me obsessed with economics. Well, here's a fact. 80% of admission officers look for growth stories over perfect grades. Step 4. The scholarship trick no one uses. Most scholarships aren't GPA based. You can get full funding even with average marks. Need-based scholarship. Don't require top grades. Example, DART scholarship in Germany or Scheveningen in UK. Country-specific grants. Countries like Italy, Norway, Germany give scholarship based purely on your nationality. Private funding. Well, Google your major, foundation, scholarship. Example, Mackenzie, Future Leadership Scholarship. There's a secret hack to applying to the scholarship as well, guys. Apply to government and external scholarships simultaneously. Most of the students miss this. Step 5. SAT IELTS, an exam strategy that actually works. Well, why you must take the SAT even if it is test optional? 1400 plus SAT can compensate for a low GPA. A student with 2.8 GPA got into Purdue University with a 1450 SAT score. Well, we have many university waive tuition if you score high on the SAT, like UT Dallas, University of Alabama, etc. Tactics to maximize your score fast. SAT. Skip low-yield topics. Focus on grammar rules, linear equations, and word problems. These are the highest weighted questions. IELTS. The writing and speaking section have hidden score rules most students don't know. Please do learn structured-based answers. Insane fact. A CLBS student with a 2.8 GPA got into the University of Florida with a 1440 SAT score. Alright, let's wrap it up. Summary of the steps. Choose the right universities with holistic admission. Boost your profile in 3 to 5 months. research papers, courses, internship, etc. Write a killer personal statement. Tell a growth story. Apply for scholarship, not just merit-based scholarship. Ace SATs and IELTS to compensate for grades. Last golden tip, guys. Your grades don't define you, your strategy does. At CLBS, we've helped students craft applications that get noticed no matter their academic background. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more tips in studying abroad. See you in the next video.